Hey guys, it's Aidette. Today I'm doing this super fun video. I showed you guys step by step how I created and came about this look for my TikTok, which is the mugshot trend. So if you guys want to see how I came about it, then just keep on watching. It's super fun. I also am going to be inserting the TikTok at the end of the video for you guys to see in all of the mugshot pictures that I took. Literally, it's so fun. Also, I'm going to be linking my TikTok down below because I'm very active on that, and I'm almost at 1.5 million on TikTok, so I'm so excited. Let's get right on into the video. I'm super excited to film this because I've been seeing this trend all over TikTok, and I was like, damn, these girls look bad. I thought that it was time for me to do something, but I'm gonna be putting a little twist onto it because everybody's kind of doing it like natural, more like realistic. But honestly, if I was to get arrested, it would probably be a night where I'm like very glammed up, like probably after the club, like getting real crazy. Not that it would happen, but I'd probably be in like some full glam beat and in trouble with my friend. So we're gonna be using some glitter. I decided to get a nice juicy pink, hot pink glitter. My hair looks messy. Do you see this? I like drenched it in dry shampoo, so now it's just like full of product, but we're gonna put the hair back. Usually when I'm working with glitters, I would not dare do my foundation first. We're gonna be looking messy glam, so it really shouldn't matter if the glitter falls on your face. I got my iced coffee because normally, this is Aidette, so cute. I need to have my iced coffee, at least a little bit of sip of it to get amped up. So I've never used this primer before, but this is the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Complexion Primer. It's going to look very like grungy, but I still want it to look perfect, you know what I mean? Oh, whoa. That actually did blur my skin. This is the LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation, and this is in the shade Nude Beige. So this is like my light medium shade. This primer is making my foundation look even more scrumptious. Wow. Now I have scarring here, so I'm just going to cover up the scarring. Now for my under eye, I'm going to make it bright, but not too bright. So I'm gonna be taking the Cover FX Power Play Concealer. This is in the shade G Medium 1. I don't know, I guess we'll add a little bit of light concealer. See how I'm just applying everything all messy? So I'm gonna take some of this MAC concealer. I'm actually gonna be taking a lot of the light, not too much. So before any of you guys come for me and you're like, oh my god, your foundation's perfect, it's not supposed to be perfect. So the point of this is that obviously my makeup was perfect at one point until I got myself into trouble. My eyes are mostly smeared and my lips. Because obviously I would be crying, right? If I got arrested, I'd probably be crying. I mean, I'm a Cancer, so I know for a fact I'd be crying. I kind of want to make it a little bit lighter under my eyes, like just a tad bit. Huda Beauty Banana Powder. You guys need this in your life. I talk about this all the time. I'm literally going at like light speed. I'm acting like someone asked me at 11 p.m. if I wanted to go out, and I desperately wanted to go. There has been plenty of times, like I mean countless times, where people have been like, party tonight, let's go out, and I'm like, bet. And I literally get full glam in 30 minutes. I know, I use this a lot. If you guys watch my videos, you guys know that this is actually supposed to look like this. So this is the LA Girl Pro Face Pressed Powder, and this is in the shade Warm Caramel. This girl has been through it, look. Look at the difference. So I'm literally just going to bronze the heck out of my face like I normally would as a glam. You know how Netflix has that thing that's like, are you still watching? When it comes to me, it's like, are you still bronzing? Okay, so I'm also going to be cutting my contour. So I'm gonna be taking these two tints. I want to make it look like I came from the club like 3 hours ago and then I got into some trouble. Okay, we're gonna leave that on there for just a bit, and I'm gonna be going back in with my bronzer. You guys know that I've gotten my eyebrows laminated, but now they're growing out. So I'm gonna do a little close look because I know you guys are interested. Now they're starting to look like curly. So I'm gonna use some clear brow gel. This is from Morphe. I got this in PR like a while back. So I'm just going to push the hairs up. So if you guys want an at-home brow lamination that's really quick without using like soap, definitely use a strong brow gel. Just really make sure that they're like concreted onto your face. I'm not going to be swooping them with this because it's wet. So I'm gonna be taking a little spoolie. I usually take this one here, this little Japanesque brush. I always get questions like what this is. This is a Japanesque tweezer slash spoolie brush. Shaping them with this and down. These are literally just my brows. Now, take that bake off. See that? So much more snatched. This is the James Charles Morphe palette, and I'm gonna be taking a mix of this one, and then I'm also gonna be taking a little dab of this hot pink right here. Ooh, yes, baby. That's good. And like work it up. Y'all, I just realized that I forgot to film me doing the TikTok. Okay, I guess I'll do my makeup like good at first and then transition it into it being like torn up, you know? I'm actually gonna show you guys me filming the TikTok. I feel like that'd be really interesting. For the dewy face look, I'm gonna be taking my Farsali Rose Gold Skin Mist. Just drench myself in it. So it looks like our makeup was worn in. So as you can see, she's looking real dewy, real good. Skin. I rarely have coffee anymore, so this is really rewarding. I think I'm gonna just put on some mascara really quick. So I'm gonna be taking my fave currently right now. It takes a lot for me to say that a mascara is my favorite, but this one is like really doing it for me right now. This is the Lancome Monsieur Big. Please forgive me. It's just for the sake of the TikTok. Like, I already have really long eyelashes, but look at the difference. Look at that difference. So good. Like, this look right here is just like so fresh and pretty already. Watch it be my new look. I swear whenever I do looks with you guys on here, it always ends up being my new look. So let's make ourselves look a little bit normal right now. Me trying to figure out how the transition goes. So I turn this way and then stop it and then turn this way. Literally all of this for a TikTok.
Take me out to the back of the shed. Me in the back of the head. Back of the head. Take me out to the
I don't know if
back
that
of the
was good
shed.
or not.
Take me out to the back of the shed. Me in the back of the head.
I'm trying to see if I can do the transition.
Take me out to, take
Look at that
me
transition.
out to the back of the shed. Me in the back of the head. Take me out to.
So I did that right, but when I do the transition this way, it's supposed to be when like everything's going like crazy. So now for the glitter, I'm going to be using this adhesive that I've never used before. I would usually use my Too Faced one, but I can't find it. So I just decided to try out this Anastasia glitter adhesive today. I'm gonna be taking my Artist Couture highlight. I'm just gonna take like a very, like, it's gonna be just like barely like right here. Ooh, we're glowy queens. And I'm gonna be taking my Kat Von D Shade and Light eye palette. And this was so iconic, but I guess they're like KVD Vegan Beauty or something like that, but I'm so happy that I have this because this is an essential. I've had this for years. I know that makeup expires, but I'm gonna be making my eyes look a little bit more hollow. So I'm gonna be taking this shade right here, the very first brown. The point of it is to make you look like you've had no sleep. See, and like now my eyes look a little bit more sunken in. So I'm gonna be taking probably like this shade here and then this one, like a mix of that. Ooh, this is looking real good. Watch me literally like my Mugshot makeup the most. And then I'm also taking this hot pink that we took earlier, like mixed in with the blush. And you can even kind of like take it out because your makeup's not gonna be in place. And then also messily taking it under my eyes, taking it like really messy, but only with like the very least of the excess. So it's going to make you look like you're exhausted too. Look at this beautiful glitter, guys. I got this years back when glitter was like the whole rage. Pinktastic, and you can get this at bulkglitters.com. Don't tell anyone I told you, but can we put this baby on our eyes? Look at how pretty that even looks, like just a glossy lid. Bro, oh my gosh. You don't have to be too careful. So literally, oh, okay, that was a little too messy. Like that. I'm doing this one. Like this is actually how I envision mine that will never happen would be. And then don't be afraid to like mess it up with your fingers either. Kind of drag it down. We're gonna be going back in with our Cat palette and just making it more hollow. And then I'm gonna be taking that same shade and then mix it in with this shade right here. So now this is where we're going to be making the look more grungy. So this is going to be like a little transition for the eyeliner because I'm also gonna be putting some actual liner on. And then when you're doing this, don't be afraid to go into the inner corner right here. I also kind of want to take some like right here. So I'm gonna be taking, bro, but very lightly, make myself some slight bags, but I don't want to do it too much to the point where I look dead. And then we're gonna be taking a black eyeliner. This is the Urban Decay 24/7 Zero liner. So make sure you're lining both your waterline and your upper lash line and smear the inner corner like that. I'm going to put away my glitter because I have a feeling that I'm going to spill it all over the place, knowing me. I feel like I should put a little bit of like mascara, maybe like on this eye only, but I'm gonna make sure I'm cleaning off my mascara so it's like not a lot. So I'm gonna be putting that right there. Okay, just one eye because I don't want it to be like too terrible. Okay, so I have these big lashes. These lashes are from J Lash. These are in the style Wow. I already cut them so they look a little bit weird. I don't know if I should just go ahead and put these on or put liner on too. I'll just do lashes because I still want my glitter to show. You guys always ask me what glue I use, and it is the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive, and this is also latex free. So for those of you that are allergic to latex, oh, that is doing it. Then I'm gonna put a little bit of brow product, like just a tad, just to make it like not as sparse. I don't know if I'm being crazy or if I should add a little bit more mascara. Ooh, I look evil, bro. I'm gonna make my lips look actually a little bit darker than usual. I'm gonna be taking this Sugar and Spice, and then I'm also gonna be taking Whirl, like I think right here, like in the centers. This is from LA Girl. You guys know I only use LA Girl for the most part. Okay, then I'm gonna blend this in. Whirl, this one's just like a tiny bit darker. Put it like right on my Cupid's bow. Okay, I'm gonna make it look like I was bruised here though. So like a mahogany color, and just like put it right here on the side of my lip. Like I got punched or something, but nothing too bad. And then kind of like blending it into dark brown. Period. I want to put blood, but I don't know if that's gonna be too much. So I'm just going to make my lips look scrumptious first. Okay, and then also with those colors that I've been using like for this bruise, I'm gonna take it right here on this eye, like a little bit more. How much? I got this fake blood from Party City like years ago. I think just that much. Period, love. That looks real. Okay, now we're gonna do our hair. Just need to like mess it up. I already have like a lot of product in it. Okay, so I'm gonna give my hair like some texture. I'm gonna have it like middle parted like this. I used the brand Way for my dry shampoo, so that's already in there. And then I'm going to be using my texturizing hairspray. So I'm gonna get it a little bit back because I do not want to put this in my lens. Just like drench your hair in this. The bottom needs a lot more. I'm gonna have so much fun washing my hair tonight. I'm just gonna tease my hair. I'm kind of starting to feel like I should make this side messier. Ooh, okay. Why does it look blurry? Oh no, it doesn't. It needs to be better than that. Oh, that was good.
Take me out to the back of the shed. Me in the back of the head. Take me out to the back of the shed and shoot me in the back of the head.
That's gonna be so sick. I'm so excited. All right guys, so now I'm going to take pictures. That's it for my tutorial. This would be so dope for obviously making TikTok. So I'm gonna be posting this and editing it as soon as possible because the trend is just like very fresh. Hope you guys loved it and it was super fun and like creative. So if you guys have any like other type of like point of views that you guys want me to do makeup for, like that would be so cool. I will talk to you guys in my next video and I'll see you guys on my TikTok too. Bye guys.